say I'm not getting any worse. You would say I'm not getting any better. I say I'm not getting any worse. For some time now, 'cause you invaded my space, corrupted my hopeful gaze. That's okay, I'm not ashamed, because like I said, baby, I can make sunshine out of falling rain. I can turn pain into so many hopeful things. To be amazed at what those rainy days will bring. I can turn pain into so many hopeful things, so many hopeful things, so many hopeful things. You would say I'm not getting any better. I say I'm not getting any worse. So let's turn our backs to one another and simply walk away.